buttery chickpea masala curries right here with a fluffy naans and with some cucumber yoguretta, and it's absolutely delicious. Hi, welcome to Berkeley Chef. I'm Jenny here. Today we're going to make an excellent dish. It's called the buttery chickpea masala curry. So first of all, we're going to make the cashew cream using soaked cashew and blend it into a cream, and also coconut oil, the cashew cream, and the coconut yogurt is going to add a very buttery like texture, very creamy, very delicious. And the sauce with the curry sauce is the flavor that came out of this thing is the tomatoes. Okay, so they're going to add a very nice, like a good rich curry sauce that make the curry really good. So that's the secret of cooking curries. And the spices as well, I make up the spices, and you toast the spices first to make the fragrance come out from the spices, and that would be add really a good like flavor and aroma to the curry. So we're going to get started. We're going to show you how to do that. This cashew soak overnight with clean filter water. So by tomorrow morning, so I'm going to just rinse it off several times to remove the enzyme inhibitor. And soaking it become more softer to blend. It's also more creamier and smooth texture. So rinse out with clean filter water. Then I'm going to put this in a blender to blend with water to make the cream. Put it in here and put some water. So you want to scrape down the side of the blender. Just make sure that everything is blended up, it's creamy and smooth. Okay, that's the sauce that you're going to create with making your buttery chickpea curry masala. Okay? So I am going to get to the cooking.
Hi, I'm Caleb and I have a quick word to tell you. We love to share recipes that we make with you viewers. But in order to do so, you must support us so we can continue sharing these delicious, scrumptious recipes. So go on over to berkeleychefs.com/getyourgear and get your gear and a gear for someone else that you like. And that will help support us. Thank you very much. Bye!
I'm going to toast the spices now. So you make sure you keep on stirring it, just to make sure that the spices is not burned, just for at least a minute or so. You can tell when the fragrances come out from the spices, you know it's already done. The fragrances of the spices are already done, and now you put it in a bowl to cool it down. Now you put back the same pan. Now you put a coconut oil.
Hi, I hope you're enjoying the video so far. If you're new here, make sure to go on over to join our free email list at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. Now let's go back to the video.
Hi, welcome back. The buttery chickpea masala curry is absolutely delicious, and with the fluffy naan that we did, and with some cucumber rector and yogurt with mint in it, it's really tasteful. When you mix everything up, it's absolutely delicious. So please shoot us a comment and share this video and give us a thumbs up and a like button. Don't forget about our fluffy naan recipe. Check them out, okay? And see you next time.